Make the moment with the ScanNCut DX SDX85 by Brother. Make the moment sweet. Make the moment crazy. Make the moment chic. Make the moment every Sunday. Make the moment with pride. Make the moment yours. Make the moment special. All at a moment's notice with the ScanNCut DX SDX85. The only affordable and versatile cutting machine with a built-in scanner. And easy to use with features like the blade sensor technology that automatically adjusts for material thickness. For making all of life's moments stand out with your unique brand of creativity. And picture this: more than 250 built-in designs, patterns, and fonts to get your creative juice flowing. And advanced editing with Brother's easy-to-use, cloud-based software program, Canvas Workspace, to help showcase your advancing skills to make the moment. Make the moment with the cutting machine for moment makers by Brother.